Welcome to Expert SEM, a unit of Thoughtware Training Private Limited. I am the chief trainer in this organization. My name is called Pattabhi Raman. You can see my LinkedIn profile in the screen. I think a few of you are connected with me. If you are not connected, you are welcome to connect with me. You can search with my title Supply Chain Master in the LinkedIn to reach it to me. Either you can follow or connect with me. As far as my qualification is concerned, I am basically a BE MBA with a diploma in analytics. But nowadays the basic qualification doesn't matter much in the job market. That's where some type of a globally recognized certifications are meaningful. We will see what are those certification in the coming slide. As far as industrial organizational experience is concerned, I have been working in large multinational organization spread over 2.5 decades, and I have multi-country experience. Hope you are able to recognize some of these organizations. First three are basically in the auto tier 1 sector, whereas the last one is a European MNC dealing with the CNC machine in construction sector. So I have been handling various subdomain inside the supply chain over the 25 years, practically handling everything at various levels. Supply chain is a vast ocean, and I have been handling each of the sub domain at various levels, like you can see, starting from demand management, then inventory management, then production scheduling coordination, then coming to the logistic portion of supply chain. Okay, last assignment I was heading the supply chain as the general manager, and last 4 years I have been a CEO of the current organization. And as far as the certification is concerned, most of you, if you are in supply chain or logistic, you should be knowing about something called APIX. Okay, they provide globally recognized certification called CPAM, CACP or CLTD, depending on what is your subdomain inside the supply chain. Also, there is one more institute called Demand Driven Institute based in US. They also provide similar certification like Demand Driven Planner Professional. I am also a certified purchasing manager from Institute of Supply Management, and a project management professional. Okay, so regarding our organization, we are based in Bangalore. A team of supply chain and logistic experts have formed this organization. It is a 4 years old organization based in Bangalore, and I am heading it. We provide both consulting and training in the field of supply chain, logistic, and purchasing, along with the analytics related to these domains. We are affiliated to Demand Driven Institute for their training in India. We operate under the trade name Exxpert SEM. We provide both executive level certificate and diplomas. We are a training organization, so we can provide only executive type of programs, which are short term, job oriented, which is basically required for finding a job, or to sustain your current job, or to find a better job. These type of programs are available in core supply chain management or logistics management, or even supply chain analytics, which is very popular in our category. Apart from that, we are also providing certifications from the globally recognized organizations. Okay, so you can reach out to us for any of this training program apart from consulting. Both live and economic recorded versions are available. Okay, thanks for watching.